You're watching KTN Prime. Now, a security guard has admitted that he murdered his lover, a university student in Naka Estate within Nakuru County. Ezra Kemboi took plea before Nakuru High Court Judge Justice Teresaya Matheka for the alleged murder of 19-year-old Phyllis Jepleting, a first-year student at Karatina University who was pursuing a bachelor's degree in education. Kemboi will be detained at the Nakuru GK prisons awaiting fact, reading, mitigation and sentencing. He said to have killed Jepleting and left her body to decompose inside his house at Naka Estate between December 26th and December 31st last year. Police believe Kemboi was Jeruto's boyfriend. He was arrested on January 11th by detectives from the Directorate of Criminal Investigations while attempting to commit suicide in Nandi South. Bloody bedding, clothes and Jeruto's identification documents were among items recovered at the house.